right, that's a little bit better. You have your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys like your school?
Love it.
Yeah? Any questions?
Can you turn on siren when we get into school?
Yeah, I will. You'll hear it. Have you ever driven in a police car before?
Never.
Okay.
But I saw one on the computer.
You know, we have police cars that are specially for dogs, and the dog does ride in the back. We're going to have 3 police dogs pretty soon.
What type of police dogs?
Well, the dogs themselves are called Malinois, which is kind of a small, energetic breed of dog that's kind of specifically bred for police work. They're really smart. They have very powerful noses, and they're really healthy dogs. So what grade are you in?
3rd.
Oh, 3rd. Who's your teacher?
Her name is Miss Sharp.
Do you like her class?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite thing about school?
My favorite thing about school? I think math.
Math?
Or history.
History. Oh, wow. I always thought history was really interesting, you know, a lot of reading and how people lived a while ago and how America was kind of formed.
Today we're learning about Tustin history.
Do you know what the city of Tustin, the name came from?
Columbus Tustin?
Correct. You're very
Because
good.
we did a test.
You did a test. Well, that is absolutely correct. What grade is Troy in?
Hinder.
Kindergarten, huh? Here we are, driving to school. I'm taking Madison and Troy to Red Hill Elementary School. And Madison knows her Tustin history really well. She knew that Columbus Tustin founded the city of Tustin.
Why 6th grade is 7?
I'm sorry, what?
Why 6th grade is 7?
Why is 6 afraid of 7? I don't know.
7, 8, 9.
Ah, that's very clever. Very, very clever. Where do you live?
We live in Anaheim Hills.
Oh, Mom wanted you to go to school in Tustin instead of Anaheim Hills, huh?
They have better schools here.
Do they? Yeah, your mom would know all about that, I guess, huh?
Oh, my teacher!
Yeah, see, you're a celebrity today.
I'm sitting on my knees. I want to see everything.
That's fine.
I really want to go apologize to them. They're letting her loose. Uh-oh. Good morning. Go get your backpack. Oh. Never be the same. How Troy, it's Maddie, like get your picture with her.